Welcome to EduCon. This is Imam with you. In this session, we'll learn about phylum Aschelminthes and also phylum Annelida. The body of Aschelminthes is circular in cross section, hence the name roundworms. So they are called as the common names for the organism which comes under phylum Aschelminthes or roundworms. They may be free living, aquatic, and terrestrial or parasitic in plants and animals. Parasitic in both plants and animals. Roundworms have organ system level of body organization. They are bilateral symmetrical, triploblastic, and pseudocoelomate animals. All these lines are very important, like this bilateral symmetrical, triploblastic, and pseudocoelomate animals. An alimentary canal is complete with a well-developed muscular pharynx. What is muscular pharynx? It is used to ingest food. An excretory tube removes body waste from the body cavity through the excretory pore. So it is having a proper mouth and anus. Sexes are separate, means both male and female, they are different, distinct. So they called dioecious organisms. Often females are longer than males. You can see in the picture on the left side of the slide. They are male and female. Female are longer than the male. Fertilization is internal and development may be direct. That is direct development means the young one resembles the adult, or indirect. So we have three examples here. Ascaris, that is roundworm, Wuchereria, filaria worm, Ankylostoma, that is hookworm. So what kind of questions we can get from this? So what is true for the roundworms? The question will be, which of the following statement is true about roundworm? Which is correct about regarding the roundworms? Okay, like they are free living, aquatic, and terrestrial, parasitic in plants and also animals, and they have organ level system of body organization, and they are bilateral symmetrical, triploblastic, and pseudocoelomate. All these points will come as a options. Again, which of the following groups of animals is bilateral symmetrical, triploblastic? We have there are other organisms which are also bilateral symmetrical and triploblastic. So here it can be the phylum or it can be the example, such as Ascaris, the Wuchereria, or Ankylostoma. Like another question is, digestive system consists of a mouth and anus in which animals? So in all the phylums, we need to remember which of the phylums they have this system, that is, which is having both mouth and anus. Again, another type of question is, pinworm, hookworm, or filaria worms belongs to which phylum? So we have three examples here: Ascaris, Wuchereria, Ankylostoma. These are all different types of organism which comes under phylum Aschelminthes. So we need to remember the examples correctly. Then only we can identify the, along with the phylum, we need to identify the examples which is coming under that particular phylum. The question will be, which of the following is dioecious? Dioecious means sexes are separate, means there is both male and female organism present. In that, there are dioecious animals in other phylums too. So for example, if the phylum which the organism which is mentioned in the options, okay, if it is monoecious or dioecious. So the question is, which of the following is dioecious? So the names will be there, like example Wuchereria, filaria worm, or other name, and Wuchereria is a right example. Sometimes there is other organisms which comes under different phylum which is also dioecious. Okay, then and with maybe at the time more than one options, it will be there in the option. So such type questions we can expect from this file. And there is match the column, like for example match column 1 and 2 with respect to animal and its common name. Okay, now for example I take certain examples from phylum Aschelminthes and certain examples from phylum Annelida, certain from Arthropoda, all these. So we need to match. For example here Ascaris, what is the common name? Roundworm. What is the common name for Wuchereria? Filaria worm. Like we need to match the names. So these are very easy, but we need to remember all the names here. That is most important. Phylum Annelida. They may be aquatic, marine and freshwater, or terrestrial, free living, and sometimes parasitic. Not always, sometimes they are also parasitic in nature. They exhibit organ system level of body organization and bilateral symmetry. So this is this is also present in this same level of organ system level of body organization, and also bilateral symmetry is present in Aschelminthes. And also they are triploblastic, metamerically segmented, and coelometonyms. So what is the difference between the Annelida and Aschelminthes? They are pseudocoelomate, which are like, that is Aschelminthes organisms are pseudocoelomate, whereas Annelida, they are coelometonyms. Their body surface is distinctly marked out into segments or metameres. You can see on the images, you will understand, and hence the phylum name Annelida means, in that is Latin word. In Latin, annulus means little ring. They possess longitudinal and circular muscles which helps in locomotion. This is very important line. Okay? They possess longitudinal, remember this, longitudinal and circular muscles which helps in locomotion of the organism. Aquatic annelids like Nereis possess lateral appendages which are called parapodia, which helps in swimming. Okay, where is you can see the examples in the image itself. So we have one example, Nereis, and there is Hirduneria, that is a leech, blood sucking leech. So aquatic annelids like Nereis possess lateral appendages, that is parapodia, which helps in swimming. A closed circulatory system is present. Closed circulatory means the blood circulation. Nephridia help in osmoregulation and excretion. So now this is also very important line. Which of the following organ helps in osmoregulation and excretion in Hirduneria or Nereis? So these two are the examples given in NCERT book. So based on these two examples, we can extract the questions. So here Nephridia or Nephridum, that is the singular. Nephridia means plural, which helps in osmoregulation and also excretion. Okay. Neural system consists of paired ganglia connected by lateral nerves to a double ventral nerve cord. So this complete sentence is very important. Okay. Neural system consists of paired ganglia connected by lateral nerves. So here, when the question comes, same sentence, they'll be having double ventral, like single ventral, like triple ventral. So it will confuse you guys. So we need to understand the entire line here. Neural system consists of paired ganglia connected by lateral nerves to a double ventral nerve cord. Okay. Nereis, an aquatic form, is dioecious, but earthworms and leeches are monoecious, whereas the reproduction is sexual. Now again here, see, in this in Aschelminthes we study about the organisms are dioecious, but here in Annelida they are dioecious and also monoecious. So monoecious examples you can take leech and earthworms. Okay, monoecious means the female and male reproductive organs are present in the same animal, same organism. Okay, and reproduction is sexual. So same questions which we can extract from the phylum earlier, we can extract the questions in the same manner here. Like, which of the following statement is true about Annelida? Like, they are monoecious, they are dioecious, they are both, they are none. Okay, the reproduction in Annelida is sexual or fragmentation, asexual, all of the above. So reproduction is sexual. Remember this. All this, like, what is the organ which helps in osmoregulation and also excretion in Nereis? Nereis means I am taking example direct. So you need to remember the Nereis which comes under the phylum Annelida. This is how we need to remember the things. Okay. After watching the video, kindly read the NCERT topics, that books, the material, whatever it is. Okay. Read again and again. Then only you can remember all these points. In single instance, you can't remember all these points because there are so many examples. So we need to define the examples which comes under particular phylum. Then only we can answer such question. Okay? And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.